Yo guys, what's going on, man? Sorry if I look extremely so tired right now. I barely got any sleep last night, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna be posting out a new video today. So today I'm gonna be checking out a microphone kit that I bought for the Blue SnowBall microphone. This kit is specifically for the Blue SnowBall, but it does have a little small attachment that you could put in a regular microphone. This kit right here comes with the stand, a windscreen, and a pop filter. Okay, so I am doing this video in post right now because I had a lot of noise background. So as you can see right here, Amazon treated me nice with my box. As always, they're such a ridiculous company sometimes. So right here you can see we have the windscreen. It's a big puffy afro hair. Looks pretty nice if you ask me. Right here too, we also have the pop filter. So for a lot of people that don't know, the pop filter specifically helps with your harsh P's, T's, and B's and such like that, and it just helps try to reduce that as best as possible. Now we're heading into the main area. Right now I'm just showing you, the little cards, comes with warranty and stuff like that, just in case it breaks. You can return it, get a full refund back, or just get an exchange most likely. Here we have a little tape that you're going to be taping around a certain little knob that you would connect the Blue SnowBall microphone. As you can see right here, this part right here would be for the a regular microphone if you have one of those. Now this part is the clamp portion. Has a little bit of a plastic feel. But who never knows, we'll have to see the longevity of it. Give me about a couple months and I'll let you know how it is. Now we have the big boy, the stand. Now this is very nice. Very nice. Has a nice sturdy feel. None of the parts are plastic. I believe it's metal. A metal frame. Spring loaded. Fully extends pretty well. I'll say about 2.5 feet, maybe. Okay, so the first thing you want to go on ahead and do, okay? You're going to go and take the piece that I'm showing a video right here. You're going to screw it on your table, okay? Pretty fast and easy. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and take your stand, put it right inside the hole, okay? Then after that, you're going to go ahead and take this little piece and screw it right on, sorry about that, screw it right on your Blue SnowBall microphone. Or if you don't have one of these, you got a regular microphone, you could just use this piece, take it, screw it on in, and you're good. But for this case, we're going to be using this. Then you want to go on ahead and just take it. Okay, remember, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Learned that a very long time ago. Okay, then once you do that, you are good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the other pieces for you guys to see, and we're gonna do a little audio test between with the windscreen and the pop filter. So for this pop filter piece, pretty simple. When you take it, you're gonna go on ahead and screw it right on top of the stand. It doesn't really matter which section. If you want it closer or farther, doesn't matter. Screw that baby in nice and tight. There we go. Okay, looking good. And then you're gonna take it, and also, by the way, this can actually rotate, so if you need to adjust it better or whatever, take it, adjust it to your favorite position, and boom, looks very nice. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of a quick audio test to see if it makes a little bit different. So I'm gonna be practicing or saying P's, T's, and B's, okay, just to see how it works. Okay, so we have B, T's, P's, p. You don't want to be like this extremely close, but a little good distance, about 6 to 8. 6 to 8 inches, not that bad. P's, T's, and B's. Let me know how that sounds. Now let's see if it makes a difference. Now let's do it without it. Okay. Testing. Hello. 1, 2, 3. P, t, t, p. How does that sound, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Listen, if you guys are brand new, feel free to go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. I do not mind. Stick around. I have plenty more videos coming up soon. Be prepared for that. Guys, thank you so much and take care.